Hi, this is Imagine Again, Jim. One way to access creative thinking is through the use of empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Very shortly, we'll be going into the consulting room of one famous Sigmund Freud. And I am here with my new patient who has come to me for some help with his psychoanalytical problems. And you have come to me today to talk about your feelings, so I think that a little bit of hypnosis would help you relax. Now, I want you to just follow the watch, and your eyes are getting droopier. Well, maybe not as droopy as some people's, but I think you have reached a more relaxed state. So I think that we can proceed. And now I will ask the patient a few questions. How do you feel about people handling you? Aha. And how do you feel about spending all of your time in the gutter or in the lanes? How do you feel about those pins? Or maybe one pin or in particular? Good. You may wake up now. We have made some very good progress. Next session we will work on your dream works. We will discuss your dreams and your nightmares. My diagnosis is that this patient is suffering from anxiety hysteria. This is caused because of other external objects that put their own forces into the path of this patient's life. Now it's your turn. Please reflect upon how a bowling ball might be feeling. Or perhaps you might think of 3 other inanimate objects and describe 3 feelings that they might be experiencing as they move through their lives. Share 3 of your own ideas on my Facebook page or my YouTube channel. I look forward to hearing them. And finally, remember to imagine again and imagine more. Thank you.